Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a side-by-side size comparison between the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star and the Samsung Galaxy A6. These are two really popular phones right now, and a lot of people are trying to decide which one should I get. So one of the determining factors is the screen size and which one to put them side by side so you can really see the difference. So first thing, if you just put them right next to each other, you'll notice that the A6 has a more narrow design, which is looks more like the S9, except it is more of a flat design, so it doesn't have curved edges. It's just a squared look, kind of like the Galaxy A6, or excuse me, the Galaxy S6. So it just kind of looks very similar to that phone, but you can see it has an 18:9 ratio, so although it's thinner and the J7 Star is wider, the phone is taller because of the ratio. So there's that. If you measure them this way, you can see that you get a little bit more screen on this side of the J7. And then the A6 is a hair thinner as well, so it's not as bulky. But if you looked at our spec comparison, you do see that the J7 Star does have a slightly bigger battery. So that's kind of where some of the thickness goes. It's just that extra battery. And yeah, let me show you the back so you can just see the design. So the A6 does have a metal design, and the J7 Star has like a plastic design. So the A6 does have definitely a more premium feel to it as well. Obviously there is a price difference of about 150 bucks. So you do have to weigh that out. Obviously there are some extra things you get with the A6 that are great, but one of the downsides that I've just had to be real about is the storage. So, well, two things. So home button here, if you're a home button person, you don't get that on the A6, but also they both have 32 gigs of internal storage. So that's one of the drawbacks is, you know, spec wise, storage is probably the one thing that people could have used more of and that you don't get. But you do get other things, like you get water resistance, you also get the front flash as well, and you get some other cool stuff. So two really awesome phones. Just wanted to put them side by side so you can get an idea of how they vary in terms of actual size. The bezels also are, it's kind of weird. The bezels are around the same. Like from different angles they look a little bit thicker here, but really they don't seem like they're that much bigger. So anyway guys, side by side size comparisons, you can see the difference. Hope you found that helpful and gave you some perspective. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.